I've been wondering the best ways to prep salads for the week without the greens getting soggy and some good combos of what to add to your salad to make it filling. Great question, Colby. When I prep my salads for the week, honestly, the past couple weeks I've been having like soups and stews and stuff for lunches because it's been kind of cold and that's been what I'm craving, but 9 times out of 10, I'll have salads for lunch during the week. I prepare my toppings, everything except the lettuce and the dressing and the avocado in a separate container. And that's what I'll food prep during my Sunday food prep. And then on the morning that I want to eat the salad, I'll just get a new Tupperware, put greens in there, and then dump the topping container on top, add the dressing, and I'm good to go. I find that if you put the toppings on top of lettuce on Sunday, then by the time you get to like Wednesday, it's too soggy, you don't want to eat it, or most people don't want to eat it. It's fine for you, but yeah, that's what you're asking. You don't want to eat the soggy greens. So prepare the toppings separately, then dump it on the greens when you're ready to go. The other alternative is to do a mason jar. This used to be super popular like a year ago, stacked salads in a jar, and I'll post a link to some of these. They're great. You put the denser, like more liquidy things on the bottom. So you put dressing first, and then let's say you would put like artichoke hearts or tomatoes or something that's like juicier, and then you keep going so that the greens are on the top, and you store it that way upright in the fridge, and then when you're ready to eat it, you just shake it up. That's good. It preserves the texture of the greens. My problem with that, as you probably would guess, is that a mason jar is like this big, and that's not big enough for my salad. If that's what I'm going to eat for lunch, I need like a much bigger salad than that. So that doesn't work for me personally, but you could do that topping idea in the jar and then put it over greens later. In terms of what combos to add to make it filling, the problem with a salad is when we have like a giant salad and it's all vegetables. Hear me out. I'm saying this is a problem. I know, crazy. Vegetables are all carbs. Vegetables are good carbs. I support the carbs, but we need some protein and healthy fat to make it more filling, to make it stick with us for longer. So protein options would be chicken, fish, eggs, hemp seeds are great protein. I talked about that last week. Beans, tofu, if that's your thing. I talked about that 2 weeks ago, I think. Any kind of protein option, you need at least one. I like to go for 2 of those. And then at least 1 healthy fat. Again, I like to go for 2. Healthy fat is avocado, nuts, seeds, fish, again, could count here. Oil, like a good quality oil in a salad dressing, egg yolks, anything like that. So one of my all-time favorite salad combinations is beets, cucumbers, frozen peas. They don't have to be frozen. They're just easier that way. Avocado, chicken, the cannellini beans, and then the Tessemae's honey mustard. I think it's honey mustard or honey poppy seed dressing. That is like my favorite salad ever. And I get my good quality fats from the avocado and the dressing, and my good protein from the beans and the chicken, and then of course my vegetables as well. So that's a good one, but you can also do like a more Mexican flair. You could do some chicken and black beans and salsa and avocado, or you could do like a Italian-based salad with an Italian vinaigrette and some artichoke hearts and tomatoes and olives and whatever kind of veggies. I always say just lots of veggies, 1 to 2 sources of protein, 1 to 2 sources of healthy fat, and you're good.